me, the double kettlebell squat is a fantastic exercise for teaching people how to actually front squat before going onto a barbell. The reason being, it's definitely more unforgiving. It forces you into a better squat. So if you haven't already, make sure you've watched my video on the goblet squat and also how to get 2 bells up into the rack position. Okay, so double kettlebell squat, first we're going to get them into the rack and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so from the rack position, we're going to first get our squat stance. Make sure you're familiar enough with your squat stance. Unlike the press or double press, we want the elbows tight, but you can bring the bells in closer together. Okay, so some people you find you might want to interlock the fingers, or you can just hold them close. Just be careful not to bang the knuckles together. Okay, so from here, we're going to brace. I'm going to inhale, pull myself down to the ground. And then I initiate the ascend with a grunt. And then to put them back down, make sure you step back out. And then lower them the same way as you would in the double kettlebell swing.